To the Senior Vice President of FDA Roosevelt, Dr. Alma Emerita Guillermo Cruz, Principal of FDA Roosevelt Eta, Mrs. Susan B. Torres, to the Assistant Principal, Ms. Erica C. Comendor, our Head Registrar, Mr. Tish I. Nishita, other specific officials and administrators, esteemed faculty members, proud parents, distinguished guests, fellow completers, ladies and gentlemen, good day to you all. Today marks a significant milestone in our lives as students. Our hard work and dedication have finally paid off, reflecting those sleepless nights and hectic days, the lessons we have learned along the way, and the bonds we formed as junior high school completers. I am Stella Marie Sena Escarma from Grade 10 Excellence, and it is with immense gratitude that I stand before you today to express my appreciation for this incredible journey we've had this year. As I speak, my heart is full of gratitude. First and foremost, I extend my deepest thanks to our Almighty God for guiding us throughout the year and giving us the strength and wisdom to reach this achievement. For me, this is particularly special. It's one of the greatest gifts I have ever received. As last week, July 6th was here today. That feels so blessed and fortunate. So all my grade 7, 8, 9, and 10 teachers, your continued support, patience, and belief in my potential have shaped me to the individual I am today. And to our class advisor, Ms. Shirley Ramos, thank you for guiding me in our section on this ride of a lifetime and imparting the knowledge and values that will serve as our compass for many years to come. To our beloved parents and families, thank you for your unconditional love, sacrifices, and encouragement. To my grandma, Bibi Sena, thank you for being my guardian and always being there by my side. Mommy, Jennifer Scarman, thank you for your advice and never-ending belief in my abilities. And Daddy, Emerson Scarman, thank you for always supporting and making me happy. All of you have been there for me from the beginning until now, ready to assist and provide what I need, especially in school. That's why I always do my best to give back to you. I remember when I was in preparatory school, I graduated as the valedictorian of my class. A small child who was so happy for that award. Having the opportunity to deliver her speech in front of everyone at such a young age. Even accidentally forgetting a particular line that made everyone laugh at her goodness. A few years later, closing my elementary days, I was declared the top one again in grade 6. I was looking forward to going up on stage, but sadly, the pandemic prevented me from doing so. But today, once again, as I complete my junior high school journey, I am so grateful to be at the top of this batch. I was thrilled when I received the news that I would be giving a speech, and that excitement still fills me endlessly. I will always cherish these accomplishments and dedicate my future successes to all my loved ones, especially my grandma, mommy, and daddy. Your faith in me has been my greatest motivation, and I am forever thankful to the three of you. To my dear and excellence, I will forever treasure the chance you gave me to lead our class this school year. We might be going our separate ways now, but may we always remember the times we shared. To my fellow officers, thank you for helping and assisting me in guiding your section. To my friends, we knew how many things we've gone through together, sharing laughter, challenges, and triumphs. All those moments will forever be cherished memories. And may we always carry forward the bonds we built and continue to support each other in the future. To everyone, this is the start of great beginnings. As we step into senior high school, we may experience failures and even doubt ourselves. But let us always try our best and remember the values that define us as students of the school and as Camaros. Having the fortitude to face challenges, excellence in all our endeavors, uprightness in our actions, and resilience in overcoming obstacles. These virtues will guide us as we enter our new quest for knowledge. To every Roosevelt Keita, thank you for the principles you have instilled and the opportunity you gave us to be in a nurturing environment where we could grow, learn, and excel. From teaching the lessons to supportive guidance, every experience at this school has contributed to our growth and development. To conclude my speech, I hope we always welcome future opportunities with open hearts and minds. Let us face every challenge that may come into our lives with the same determination and eagerness that has brought us to this milestone. May we strive for excellence in our goals, carrying the lessons of learned. And most importantly, may we always appreciate and never forget the people who have shaped us into who we are today. Congratulations, class of 2024! As we embark on new paths, let us carry the spirit of Italia